नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं खबर समय आपके साथ। मैं अनिंदिता। इस वक्त हम आ पहुंचे हैं सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कूल पर, क्योंकि सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कूल का एनुअल इवेंट शुरू हो चुका है। फिलहाल आप देख पा रहे हैं बच्चे बड़े ही धमाकेदार परफॉर्मेंस से सबका मन मोह रहे हैं। फिलहाल यहाँ पर आप देख पा रहे हैं बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस देखकर ऑडियंस कितने ज्यादा खुश है। वेल अगर परफॉर्मेंसेस की बात करें तो कई दिनों से बच्चे लगातार प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, जिसका आज परिणाम हमारे सबके सामने है। हम देख पा रहे हैं बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंसेस। आप बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंसेस का लुत्फ उठाइए और साथ ही साथ हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन पर भी आप बता सकते हैं कि आपको इन बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंसेस आखिर कैसा लग रहा है। आपको इन बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस कैसा लगा हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन पर जरूर एक बार बताइएगा। एक बार फिर से आप सभी को मैं बताना चाहूंगी, इस वक्त हम मौजूद है सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कूल पर और यहाँ पर एनुअल कॉन्सर्ट का कुछ झलक तो हमने आपको दिखा ही दिया। और फिलहाल आप देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर सभी पेरेंट्स हैं, सभी गार्जियंस हैं, साथ ही साथ टीचर्स, फैकल्टीज सभी यहाँ पर मौजूद है। और बच्चों के परफॉर्मेंस से आई थिंक सभी का मन खुश हो गया है, सभी को बेहतरीन लगा होगा, क्योंकि बहुत ही सुंदर परफॉर्मेंस इन बच्चों ने दिया है। हम बात करेंगे यहाँ के फैकल्टी से, स्कूल के मेंबर्स से जरूर से एक बार बात करेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले जो आखिरी प्रोग्राम है या फिर प्रिंसिपल सर से जो बात है वो हम एक बार आपको जरूर दिखाना चाहेंगे।
Good afternoon. If you've been with us so far, I'm sure everyone enjoyed the program today. So we can certainly prove it by giving a round of applause for the performance for today. Our plan for the annual day production started almost 4 months back, and at that point of time, can you just reduce the background music, please? Or you can switch it off as already done. Thank you. So when we started off almost 4 months back, we were quite not sure about what to portray. So the theme of the program was in fact chosen quite democratically. All students, each and everyone were given their choice of the theme, and overall, it was thought that the celebration would be something that we don't exactly celebrate about war, but it's rather a celebration for peace. It's a cry or it's a voice from a school called Sacred Heart School that protests against all war, and it's a voice of every young child for his future, and also a voice of a teacher who is sending his student or her student into the future. So when we brought this all together, definitely there are some people who must be brought forward to the stage to acknowledge, and some people, some of the teacher more than the others, because when we put this together, there was a group, a core team, that was given charge of taking this idea forward. So in this regard, I would like to call upon our head of the English department, Mr. Arpan. Sir, will come forward. Our head of activities, Mr. Sarvesh Reddy, sir, will come forward. So once the ideation took place, the thought about putting the script together, of giving a very logical presentation to what we wanted to portray, was the work of Sangarsh. So each and every item, where it would be placed, in what sequence it would follow, was the work of Mr. Arpan. Right. So on the other hand, that ideation also required a very strong head of activities to make sure that we are able to plan everything logistically and bring everything together. So that work was left up to Mr. Sangarsh Chetri. So a big round of applause for the two wonderful. If you appreciated the costume and the way it was thoughtfully chosen, the two teachers who are responsible for that, I would like to call them forward to the stage, please. Mrs. Indrani Goswami and Ms. Poonam Mishra. Ma'am, if you would come forward, we can appreciate your report. Today, the lights and also the sound and the LCD screen worked flawlessly. It required a lot of effort and a very solid person to be behind that. And that person was Mr. Prakash Janssen, sir. Sir, if you would come forward, we can acknowledge your report. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the whole team. Thank you for speaking up. Ideation is one thing, but everything requires a solid infrastructure and a foundation on which it can stand. And the foundation and the core structure would in fact fall not only at this point of time, but also at any point of time in the year, are our level managers and our coordinators. So the senior coordinator, Mr. R.K. Das sir, Mr. Ninoy Hyatt sir, if you would come forward. If I could also request the coordinators in the girls department, Mrs. Judith Milan, Mr. B.K. Mari, to come forward, and also to help them with their work is our level managers, I don't see Mr. Nigam Pradhan. Are you there in the back? Mr. Nigam Pradhan sir. I'm also looking for Abhijit Rajendra sir also, and the girls department like you to come forward too. So most schools, they have a catchphrase in participation. We think of things a little differently. Whenever there is a celebration, we feel that no one should be left behind. So definitely, it is 100%. We can say 99% because the board students are not here today. But then they are preparing for their very important program, the board exams. But in all of that, the people who are standing here in front of you, they are the one who ensure that whenever it is celebration, whether it's a examination, or whether it's a production, they are the ones who make sure that everyone is involved and they make the best use of the team. So thank you, sir and ma'am, for the great effort, and we will give you a round of applause. Now I would like to hand over the rest of the proceedings to our head of activities, Mr. Sangar Sethi. Sir, over to you.
Thank you very much, sir. Very good afternoon to our Chief Guest Man and other esteemed guests present here. As I continue to acknowledge the helping hands and hearts, I am privileged here to start with expressing my gratitude to Richard sir, Raymond sir, Ramesh sir, and the entire admin team for all the procurements, groundwork, and other coordinations. They are not present in the hall at the moment, for they continue to shoulder other administrative responsibilities. Now, I'd like to call upon the stage the following teams and members who have made this show a grand success, starting with the backstage team. Nigam sir, Abhijit sir, Bidu sir, and Arthur sir with the entire students. Also request to Rajni ma'am and Sanjita Roka ma'am to join us, the students as well. Thank you, sirs and students. Followed by our decoration team, Mr. Vishal Shroka, art and craft teachers, Mr. Vishwajit.
जैसा कि प्रिंसिपल सर ने कहा कि ये बच्चों की एक दो दिन की तो काम नहीं है, बल्कि लगातार 4 महीने से वो मेहनत कर रहे थे, जिसका मेहनत का रंग आज हमें देखने को मिला। और मेहनत का रंग हमें तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, आई थिंक पेरेंट्स को भी अच्छा लगा। यहाँ पर कुछ और मेंबर्स भी हैं, हम उनसे जानेंगे उनको कैसा लगा। हेलो मैम, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Priyaki Gupta Agarwal. I'm co-founder of Sacred Heart School.
So ma'am, as a co-founder, as a member of Sacred Heart School, आपको आज बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस कैसा लगा?
ऐसा है, बच्चे हमारे हैं, हम पिछले 1 महीना से इनके साथ बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं। जब मैं नहीं हम, please remember it's a whole school together, along with every teacher, right from the field to the stage. We take care of them in the classroom, out of the classroom. So what you see today is an annual production which is on the stage. Next year we will have it on the field. Sports one year and the annual concert the next year. And we are all in this together. All the children, all the teachers, all the leaders, just about everyone.
मैम, आप हमारे व्यूअर्स से कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? जो व्यूअर्स भी है, साथ ही साथ वो पेरेंट्स भी हैं, उनसे कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
पेरेंट्स को हम यही कहना चाहेंगे, प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर चिल्ड्रन। बहुत अच्छे हैं हमारे बच्चे। दिस जनरेशन इज वेरी स्मार्ट। द मिलेनियल्स का टाइम गया, it's now Gen Z, Alpha, and next Beta happening soon. Please take care of them. They are immensely talented. It's not only about marks, it's a life beyond that. In Sacred Heart, we look forward to creating their future. And in this creation, the parents are the ones who are the primary stakeholders. This is my message to the viewers and to all the parents at large.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time.
So हमने बात की सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कूल के को-फाउंडर से, हम बात करेंगे कुछ और मेंबर्स से भी, लेकिन उससे पहले आप देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर फिलहाल स्टेज पर जितने भी सारे फैकल्टीज हैं, यानी कि जितने सारे टीचर्स इतने महीने से बच्चों के साथ मिलकर आज के इस प्रोग्राम को सक्सेसफुल बनाने में जिनका काम रहा है, वो सब इस वक्त स्टेज पर है। तो चलिए उनकी बातें भी थोड़ी हम सुन लेते हैं।
Kushal, Shayad, and Shivam, and Sashwat on keyboards. Shushma Ghosh on bass guitar. Shreya Gupta on lead guitars, Vatsal, Devendra, Parijat, Naman, Ishan, and Rizu. They've been our percussionists. And our two pillars of today, Vishu and Nandagopal on the drums. Followed by a team of lead singers who have been leading the choir and taking up all the songs. Aradhya, Kashish, Mangneta, Abhi, Nasir, Zayan, Akshar, Tanveer, and Madhav.
I also request the foreign teachers to join this group: Harlisa, Rosa ma'am, Natalie ma'am, Amru Bakshi sir, who are the charges of the entire choir of top 100 students. I request all of you to kindly give them a round of applause.
So I will kindly take a minute of your time. So for the past 2 months, these students have been learning 10 completely new songs from scratch, preparing them live and presenting it before you here today. And let me tell you, it's not an easy job. As musicians, we know how difficult it is to play live. So a huge round of applause for all these students, putting in the hard work over the past 2 months, and also juggling the classes in the meantime. So thank you so much, and I would like to thank Sacred Heart for giving us this opportunity. It is rare to see an institution that hires people from outside to come in and train their students professionally. So it's a huge thanks to Ashitya and the Director Sir for allowing us to have this opportunity. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Devaki. For providing us with documentary and film videos, I'd like to request our Associate Director Sir, that is our Chief Sir, to lead the team with Nivedita ma'am, Sneha ma'am, Ashish sir, along with Ansu Roy, Adi Barwa, Kanika, Sabhi, Sadia, and Sriza. Thanks a lot. To continue, I'd like to request the head of the English department, Mr. Abdul Rai, to kindly take over. Thank you very much.
Sorry to hold on to it for another few minutes. I would like to call upon Mrs. Vandana Sharma ma'am and Miss Lakshmi Sharma ma'am with her troupe which performed the opening dance. May we have girls on stage. And please give them a round of applause. They were looking beautiful, their dance was beautiful, and it has indeed been a wonderful performance. Thank you. That's how you do a good work. Knocking on heaven's door with Mrs. Malini Banerjee and Miss Poonam Krishna ma'am. I'd like to request the group that performs the line. On the poem, John Brown. It's a wonderful poem. If you haven't read it, it's time to go back and read it. Thank you so much, ma'am, for bringing this iconic poem to life. Sky Full of Stars with Miss Sanjeevani Kamrakar ma'am and Mrs. Alma Lafna ma'am. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you so much, teachers. May we move on to the dance that brought Lord Krishna on board. Mrs. Indrani Goswami ma'am, Mrs. Sarika Basu ma'am, Mrs. Indrani Chakraborty ma'am. The teachers, Mrs. Indrani Goswami and Mrs. Sarika Basu, have been instrumental in the makeup of all the characters. We would like to thank them on behalf of everyone. I believe their hands are still red because of all the red that they have been coloring the teachers. Thank you so much, teachers. Now we move on to the actors and the actors. May I call upon Aruvi, Safia, Mahima, Mehuli, and Raksha Das. Thank you so much, girls. You were the voices that brought the dream alive. Now we move on to the boys team, the team of Mahabharata, with Mr. Raman Bhakta, Mr. Nitin Chakraborty, and Mr. Swagata, sir, to kindly come forward. We have taken a few liberties with the epic Mahabharata, so we would like to seek your forgiveness on behalf of the creative team if there have been any errors. Now we move on to the team that brought Michael Jackson back to life. They got here about us with Mrs. P.P. Rai, Ms. Shivani Giri ma'am, and Mrs. Jyoti Gupta. The boys in red. It was really a remake of Squid Games. Moving on to the next group with Mr. Subham Chetri sir and Mr. Dharmendra Poddar with the song Jagao Mere Desh. Now with the team that brought the song of the century to us with Imagine, Mr. Prakash Ranjan sir and Mr. Sukhet Chetri sir, the team of the dancers who brought Imagine onto the stage. Thank you so much, teachers. Now we move on to the waving flag and the dreamers with Mr. Anand Acharya sir and Mr. Parikshit Chetri sir. The boys of class team. They are all those dancers, they are the ones who want to set up this entire decorations on the stage, so we would request a bigger round of applause for them. They were everywhere. On the stage, on the basketball court, on the field, outside of the class, door open. And happy to do so. Moving on to 21 guns with Mr. Abhishek Rai and Mr. Tekendra Chetri. The very current joyous thing that we saw today was the doing of these two gentlemen. Mr. Tekendra Chetri is not keeping well, so keep it in your prayers. Mr. Abhishek Rai, may we request you to join us on stage. Now we move on to the last song of the day, Wake Up with Mr. Sitish Karti and Mr. Tara Niola sir. As they say, the end is always the beginning. So wake up with the honor team. Finally, the boys who perform the roles of actors and actors, Pragyan, Ayush Thakur, Vedri, Sabha, and Mahi. I request you on stage. I request the other boys also to join. Mahi. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the golden call for the afternoon. I will request our hosts and actors to take over. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request our beloved Priyati ma'am to please address the gathering. Thank you, Raksha, for letting me share the limelight. Good afternoon, esteemed chief guest ma'am, guests of honor, our dearest parents of our beloved children. When you joined Sacred Heart as parents, we promised that we would make learning happen in the classroom and out of the classrooms. I do hope we have lived up to our promise. What you saw today was an amalgamation of life skills, cooperation, collaboration, teamwork, and will you believe me, many of our mentors are in-house teachers, which means they are not only the head of department of English, physics, chemistry, biology, but they are also artists and performers, and they are the mentors of our children. Now let me tell you, that is huge. Together, you and us will have to create a better future for them. And in fact, we had a media personnel this afternoon, and they asked me the same question. What is the message for the parents? The message for the parents is, please take care of our children. Please watch what they eat. Please watch what they see on their mobile phones. Please watch where they are going. Please watch with whom they are speaking. This is my appeal to all of you. When they are here with us, we try and keep them as safe and as secure as possible. But when they are with you, oh my God, they enjoy a level of freedom which maybe they cannot handle. They are so young, they are so innocent. So my dearest parents, if you like the program today, if you think we have lived up to our promise, and you must have seen how we worked, right from the field, did you notice all the artwork? Did you notice all the artwork? Done by the students and the mentors. Did you watch what happened on stage? Done by the students and the mentors. Did you see our live band? It's a challenge. A live choir, a live band, done by our students. So if you like it all, together, will you stand and clap for us? Yes, thank you. Thank you. But knowing my own confidence, I was lost. But thank you, your parents, for entrusting us these beautiful children. Thank you for your care. Thank you for your patronage. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. And as we bring in the new year together, may God keep us all blessed, happy, and in best care. Thank you. Over to you.
There are some we don't have.
स्कूल के बच्चों के परफॉर्मेंसेस हमने देखे थे और बच्चों ने किस तरीके से परफॉर्म किया वो भी हमने देखे और उनके रिएक्शन से तो पता ही चल जाता है। आप देख पा रहे हैं मेरे दोनों तरफ इस वक्त सारे पेरेंट्स मौजूद हैं, उनको बेहतर लगा ये परफॉर्मेंसेस। फिलहाल सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कूल के एक और मेंबर हमारे साथ हैं, हम उनसे जानेंगे उनको क्या कहना है अपने दर्शकों से। हेलो सर, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Achintya Gupta. I'm the Associate Director at Sacred Hearts Siliguri. Absolute pleasure to be here live with Khabar Samay.
सर आज हमने थोड़ी सी देर कर दी लेकिन बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस लास्ट तक हमने देखा, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा। तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि किस तरीके से बच्चे एक कोऑर्डिनेशन मेंटेन करके इतने सारे बच्चे क्वायर परफॉर्मेंस कर रहे हैं, तो उस बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Every single student from class 6 to class 12 has been employed productively in today's program. So nobody was left behind and they were an opportunity to showcase their talents. We got an opportunity to showcase their talents. A live band and choir accompanying the dance was pretty amazing. Thank you so much for being here. Excellent to host you.
एक आखिरी सवाल आपसे पूछना, बिकॉज सेक्रेड हार्ट इज अ बोर्डिंग स्कूल, सो कभी ये कोई प्रॉब्लम आया है स्टूडेंट्स में कि वो जिस तरीके से वो घर में रहते हैं तो यहाँ पर बोर्डिंग में उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम आता है कि वो कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं लोगों से, इतना बातचीत मेल जोल नहीं बढ़ा पा रहे हैं, इस तरीके का कोई प्रॉब्लम आया है बच्चों में?
Sorry, can you repeat?
ओके सर, बिकॉज इट्स अ बोर्डिंग स्कूल राइट, सो बच्चे बाहर से जब आते हैं, घर से जब आते हैं तो यहाँ पर आके उनको यहाँ के जो एम्बियंस है यहाँ से वो तालमेल बढ़ाने में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है, कभी ऐसा हुआ है?
It takes a little bit of time to adjust, obviously, but within 14 to 20 days, it's all done and it's all sorted. People love being here It's time for the school anthem, so I just have to go. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू। अभी स्कूल एंथम का टाइम है तो सभी लोग यहाँ पर सामने की तरफ आ पहुंचे हैं। हम भी चलेंगे, आप भी चलिए हमारे साथ और स्कूल एंथम का भाग बनिए हमारे साथ। स्कूल एंथम के साथ ही आज के इस प्रोग्राम का अंत आ गया है, लेकिन अभी भी इस वीडियो का अंत नहीं आया। हम बात करेंगे कुछ और मेंबर्स से, सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कूल के कुछ और मेंबर्स से। फिलहाल यहाँ पर मैम है, आई थिंक यू आर द गेस्ट ऑफ दिस इवेंट। सो फिलहाल आज चीफ गेस्ट यहाँ पर मौजूद है, उनसे भी एक बार बात कर लेंगे उनको कैसा लग रहा है आज का प्रोग्राम। हेलो मैम।
Hello,
नेम?
my name is Nirja Shah. I am the SDPO of Kurseong.
तो मैम, एज अ चीफ गेस्ट आज इन छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने आपके सामने परफॉर्म किया और बहुत ही अच्छे कोऑर्डिनेशन के साथ उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बस बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस हुआ, इतनी सारी मेहनत गई है और अच्छी बात हुई। और स्टूडेंट्स को बस आभार है कि बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने प्रैक्टिस किया, अच्छे डांस, और थीम बहुत अच्छा था आज का, वॉर एंड पीस। ऐसी चीज़ें जो सोसाइटी में बात करनी चाहिए।
जी जी बिल्कुल। आज आप बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस तो आपको अच्छा लगा, आपने कहा, साथ में आप पेरेंट्स से कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, अच्छी बात है कि आज पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स ये सब एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर पे फोकस कर रहे हैं और टाइम एंड एफर्ट दे रहे हैं। तो अच्छी बात है कि मतलब इतने सारे पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट, अपने बच्चों को सपोर्ट करने आए हैं।
थैंक यू सो मच। तो हमने बात की आज के चीफ गेस्ट से। फिलहाल यहाँ पर प्रिंसिपल सर भी मौजूद है, प्रिंसिपल सर भी हमारे लिए वेट करें, उनसे भी बात करेंगे। हेलो सर, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
I'm Prafulla Pradhan. I'm the principal from Sacred Heart School.
ओके सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं कहना चाहूंगी परफॉर्मेंसेस बहुत अच्छे थे, प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा था, हमने काफी एंजॉय किया। आप हमारे व्यूअर्स से कुछ कहना चाहते हैं?
Yes, definitely. My message in fact, the message that the school community wanted to give to the entire world was that we need to give peace a chance. And also, with all the recent happenings, that's happening all around, everyone has a say, everyone has a voice. And I think the voice at the moment should cry out for peace and to end all wars around the world.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। हमने बात की प्रिंसिपल सर से, यहाँ पर कुछ और मेंबर्स भी हैं, हम उनसे जरूर एक बार बात करना चाहेंगे। फिलहाल एक बार फिर से मैं अपने दर्शकों को बताना चाहूंगी, इस वक्त हम मौजूद है सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कूल पर और यहाँ पर एनुअल कॉन्सर्ट जो अभी अभी खत्म हुआ है, लेकिन अभी भी मेंबर्स से हमारा बात करना बाकी है। हेलो सर, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Anil Gupta. I am the director of the school.
सर, वेलकम टू खबर समय।
Yes, please.
आप
Thank you.
हमारे व्यूअर्स से कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आज के इवेंट के बारे में?
Yeah, the message that we want to give to the viewers regarding this concert by the students of Sacred Heart School and the teachers and the mentors is that peace. We see that there is confusion all over the world. The war is there. Of course, sometimes we say that war is also important. Then you understand the value of peace. So now, all what our students have depicted and shown in the 2 hours program is peace is very important, and let's maintain harmony everywhere. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। हमने बात की स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल से, स्कूल के दूसरे मेंबर्स से भी हमने बात की, साथ ही हमने आज के सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कूल के जो चीफ गेस्ट थे, इवेंट के जो चीफ गेस्ट थे, उनसे भी बात की। सभी का एक ही राय है कि आज का प्रोग्राम बहुत बहुत अच्छा था। सभी का सेम रिस्पॉन्स है कि बच्चों ने जो लगातार प्रैक्टिस के साथ एक साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन मेंटेन करके ये परफॉर्मेंसेस को दिखाया है, सबके सामने करके दिखाया दिखाया है ये सचमुच काबिले तारीफ है। वेल, हमें तो बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा लगा। आपको बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंसेस कैसा लगा हमें ज़रूर एक बार बताइएगा। फिलहाल कुछ और मेंबर्स भी हैं, हम उनसे एक बार ज़रूर से बात करना चाहेंगे। एक बार फिर से मैं अपने दर्शकों को बताना चाहूँगी, इस वक्त हम मौजूद है सिलीगुड़ी के सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कूल पर और यहाँ पर बाइनियल कॉन्सर्ट 2025 जस्ट अभी खत्म हुआ है और साथ ही साथ आज से बच्चों का जो ये साल का सेशन था वो भी खत्म हो गया है। अभी फिलहाल बच्चे जाएंगे अपने घर। नए साल में फिर से नया सेशन शुरू होते ही बच्चे वापस यहाँ पर आकर पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर देंगे। वेल, अगर सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कूल की बात करें तो हम सभी को पता है कि एक बोर्डिंग स्कूल है, तो सारे बोर्डर्स का छुट्टी हो जाएगा। और साथ ही आपको बता दें, अगर कॉन्सर्ट की बात करें तो ये कॉन्सर्ट सिर्फ एक दिन की बात नहीं है। लगातार बच्चे 3-4 महीने के लगातार प्रयास के माध्यम से आज के इस प्रोग्राम को रंग लाया है। तो इसी के साथ अपने दर्शकों को मैं कहना चाहूंगी, हम सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कूल के एनुअल कॉन्सर्ट की झलके आपको आप तक पहुंचाए, आपको दिखाया है। हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा। आपको कैसा लगा हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन पर जरूर बताइएगा। तब तक के लिए मैं निंदिता लेती हूँ आपसे विदा। आप देखते रहिए खबर समय, हर समय खबर समय। धन्यवाद।